Welcome to our review of a fantastic product that can revolutionize your daily hair care routine. This is the Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Stronghold Styler Gel, designed to solve many hair styling dilemmas. The most impressive aspect of this gel is its unique formulation. It offers a non-alcoholic and non-flaky hold, which means you can enjoy your hairstyle without any crunchy or stiff feelings. It's not just a styling gel, it's also a nourishing treatment. Infused with biotin and natural botanicals, it promotes hair repair and growth, all while keeping your style intact. This gel stands out because it can be used on all hair types. Whether you're enhancing your natural curls or looking for a sleek look, this gel is your go-to solution. Don't just take our word for it, the product has garnered a strong reputation among users. With a 4.4-star rating from 49 reviews, it's clear that this gel is making a difference in people's lives. We hope you found this review helpful. If you're impressed by the Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Stronghold Styler Gel, check out the link in the description below. Remember to like the video and subscribe for more useful product reviews.